Hello and welcome to this tutorial on using Muskegon County's Property Information Viewer on small mobile devices such as a mobile phone. My name is Thomas Van Bruggen, GIS Administrator. Let's get started. When you load the Muskegon County Property Viewer onto your mobile phone, you will be greeted with a splash screen with the terms and conditions. You can scroll through these terms and conditions, and then once you accept them, simply tap on the box and then click that says you agree, then click OK. When the application then fully first loads, it will look something like this. Today I am using an iPhone with the Safari browser, so if yours looks slightly different, it might be because you're on a different operating system or a different browser. When the application first opens, it is showing you the pop-up information panel. To close this panel and allow you to see the map and to navigate, simply tap on the little double black arrows in the lower portion of your screen. That collapses that pop-up and menu panel. Now you will see your basic map extent, and because we're zoomed out, none of the data layers are currently showing up. If you simply use your standard two-finger pinch and expand to zoom in or zoom out, you will see that as you zoom in, additional data layers will start to load. Also note that on the top of your screen you have a simple search box. It says search by PIN, but it actually can search by PIN, owner's name, or address. So today we are going to search for 990 Terrace, and I'll just use the keypad. Once it finds a suggested match, I will tap on that on the map, and I'll click Done in my browse window, and you'll notice that the pop-up information panel will display again. It has the basic information about that property similar to the desktop view. And again, right at the bottom of your screen, there are two left-pointing white arrows. I can tap on that, and it will collapse that menu down. Then you see the map view, and highlighted in the middle of that map view should be the property that you've searched on. You can also tap on that parcel or an adjacent parcel. So I tapped on one over across the way a bit, and as soon as I tap on that, it pops up the information about that panel. About that parcel. I'll collapse that again, and you'll notice that it was highlighted. And I can also just by single finger swiping across the screen, I can pan the map around. I can also use the top left menu button, which is our legend. Shows you all the different map layers that are currently displayed. The second button is the layer list, allows me to turn on or off additional layers. The third button is the measuring tools. The fourth button is that pop-up information panel. The fifth button is actually a menu button for additional options where I can change the base map, go to bookmark zoom, I can print, view a property report, look at coordinates, and then also share and get a video tutorial of the desktop version is linked in that application. I'll close that panel, and I'm going to collapse the map again, and I will just simply zoom out a bit. And you'll also notice that in a mobile device you have this button in the just beneath the GIS logo and beneath the search box that looks like a circle compass, and if I click that button, that would actually zoom me to my current location if I allow it. So when I click that button, it asks for me to share my current location, and that if you allow that, that will actually zoom you to your current location. I'm going to disable that for right now, just because it's not critical to our demonstration today. Again, as I navigate around, I can either use the search box or I can simply tap on a parcel. As soon as I tap on that parcel, it will give me that information. I'll collapse that screen again, and I'm going to move over to an area that has a condominium, so the dark blue line that is surrounding the Terrace Plaza condos that's loading. I'm going to go ahead and tap there, and you'll notice this time in the pop-up panel it says 1 of 2 right under the words selected feature information. It is currently giving you the Terrace Plaza condominium, or if I hit that little black arrow to the right, it will go to the parcel information. I will go back to the condominium, and if I wanted to, I could click the view plans and it would open up a link to the PDF plans for Terrace Plaza's condominium. I won't take the time to show you that today. That is similar to the desktop version, But this was a quick tutorial on how to navigate around the property information viewer in a mobile device. Hopefully this is of some assistance, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.